Christine from Lynch, and today we are going to build our very own skee ball ramp. So cool, right? I'm going to show you what you need. You're going to want to start off by grabbing some bowls. I would say anywhere between 3 to 5 bowls is great. I'm going to use 3 though. I grabbed a small bowl, a medium bowl, and a big bowl. You're also going to need some sticky notes. And finally, you're going to want to grab 2 to 3 indoor balls, but make sure they're small enough that they fit in each bowl that you choose. Now let's talk about setup. Follow me. Start by laying out your sticky notes and writing one number on each for each bowl. Notice how I put the 1 in the big bowl, the 2 in the medium bowl, and the 3 in the small bowl because it's probably going to be the hardest to get. Now let's talk about building the ramp. This is where we're going to need to get creative. I would definitely recommend using a yoga mat, but what you put underneath it to create the ramp is based off of what you're going to have at home. You're going to have to play around a little bit with what you actually put under your ramp, but the goal is to make it as flat as possible so when the ball rolls, it goes nice and easy up and over the ramp. Once it's all set up and in place, you're going to want to set your bowls up across from it, just like I did here. Your finished ramp should look something like this. Now let's talk about rolling and how we're going to get the balls into the bowls. Oh no, sorry Mr. Bear, not that type of rolling. You know, the type of rolling where you bring the ball back like you're going to toss it, step with your opposite foot, and release towards the ground. Kind of like bowling. Remember opposition from last week? Right hand, step with your left foot, step with your right foot. Stand a few feet behind your yoga mat and start rolling the ball over your ramp. Whichever bowl the ball lands in is the amount of points you get for that turn. If you're playing by yourself, keep track of how many points you get total. If you're playing with a partner, practice taking turns and keeping score. Decide if you're going to play a certain number of rounds or play to a certain point value. Have fun!